Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So here's a scenario I hear about all the time. You sign up for Perplexity Pro on your desktop computer, everything works great, everything is fine, unlimited searches, file uploads, totally works. Then you pull out your phone to continue your search on the go. You open the Perplexity app, just like this, but suddenly there is no Pro badge. You are just totally back on the free plan. No Pro, no advanced features. So what gives? So the good news is, according to Perplexity's official documentation, Perplexity Pro can be used on multiple devices simultaneously. Your Pro account is tied to your email address, not a specific device, so if it's not showing up on your second device, there is a specific reason and it's always almost fixable. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly on how to fix it, how to get your Pro subscription back, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Make sure you are using the same email. So according to the system or the help center, Pro account is surely tied to the email address. Make sure the email address is fully correct, since it may be the #1 cause of subscription not showing up. Then enable account sync on mobile. Perplexity defaults to cloud, so it's usually on the cloud. All you gotta do is enable the sync, cause some privacy sensitive settings need to be manually enabled. Make sure you go through your profile, go through your settings, look for all of your informations and make sure you enable all of them settings needed. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.